Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at our app, how it will look like, its navigation, screens, and features. Anyone can use our app and they don't require any authentication for searching bus routes and reserve their seats. The app starts with a search page where user can select their start and destinations and departure date here. After hitting the search button, the next page shows the search results based on user's query. Each item in the result page shows what type of bus available for that schedule, departure time, the price, and total seats for that bus. When user selects any of the item here, he will be driven to a page which shows the seat plan for this bus. Different bus types have different seat plan. Next, user can select any seat or multiple seats which are available. After user selects the seats, he goes to the next page which is labeled as Confirm Booking. Here, user will provide his information such as name, mobile number, and email address. Also, user will be shown a summary for the reservation and total cost that he has to pay later. After confirming, the user will be redirected to the search page again. If user searches again with the same search parameters and select the same schedule as before, this time he will see the previously booked seats with marked as red color and cannot select any booked seat here. User can search his reservation by going to View Reservation page from the drawer menu and write his mobile number in search box. If the mobile number is correct, the result will show all the reservations that user submitted with that number. There are other sections in our app. If you open the navigation drawer once again, you will see some other operations or options like Add Bus, Add Route, Add Schedule, Admin Login, etc. These sections are for the admin only. Only admin can perform add operations and hence admin has to log in with the proper admin credentials first. In the real world scenario, this app should be splitted into two separate apps, admin and user. For the sake of simplicity, I am putting all the stuffs together. If you want to separate this app, all you have to do is to create another Flutter project and copy and paste all features which are associated with admin to your new project. Or you can do another thing, which is set some logic to the app so that those sections will only be visible for the admin. That is, normal user don't see the add features anymore, and whenever an admin logs into the app, those sections will be visible for him. In this case, you don't have to separate or split your project into two different projects. In the next video, we'll see how we can structure our Flutter and Spring Boot projects, which architectural patterns we should adopt, and how we can be benefited from that. Just stay with me.